What's going on, everybody? Got another reset for you today. We're going to do a reset on a Motorola Moto G 2025. Nice, mid-range phone. Funny thing about Motorola is people undervalue them, and they're actually really good phones for what you actually pay to get them. But that's for another video. Today we're going to show you guys how to do a reset. So if you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password that you don't remember what it is, and you got to do a hard reset, I'm going to show you how to do that. Just remember, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's going to get deleted. Just giving you guys that heads up, so use caution. First thing we got to do is turn off the phone, which you have your volume buttons right there and your power buttons right there. So hold power. I'm just going to put up the Google Assistant. So tap power and volume up at the same time. Got it. So turn that off real quick. Oh, yeah, sometimes it doesn't let you turn it off when it has the pattern or password. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold both the volume up, volume down, and power all at the same time. I like to make sure this lock screen's on. I just tap with my other finger to make sure that it actually does turn off. Because as soon as it turns off, we just want to hold the volume down and power at the same time. And it'll get us right to the recovery mode. So in simple terms, if you have one where you can't turn it off, you basically have to hold all three buttons together. As soon as you see the screen turns off, let go of volume up and just continue holding volume down and power until it gets to this screen. If you hold on to too long, it automatically will click the restart and it will reboot the phone back to normal. So just patience and watch when you're doing it. But once we get here, all we want to do is scroll down to recovery with your volume buttons. That's how you used to navigate. The power button is enter. So you get to recovery mode, we hit enter. It does take a quick second to load. But it brings up this no command screen, and to get to the actual reset, what you have to do is hit power and volume up at the same time. I usually just like to hold the power button and then tap the volume up like that, and then it'll get you right into the recovery. From there, you want to scroll down with the volume buttons down to wipe data factory reset. Hit your enter button is the power button, so hit enter. Then we go down to confirm it. Same thing, hit enter. And now the phone's resetting. Looks like that reset really quick and it's done. So now we can either reboot or power off, or just hit reboot. And it will get you to that welcome screen once it's done. And you can navigate to the home screen and set it up all you want. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you have any comments on other phones you guys are trying to do a hard reset on that you haven't had issues with, just let me know in the comments. Or drop a like, follow, share. We would always appreciate it. Thanks.